Oh, fire truck. Put the right blinker. Right blinker. We pull over to release the brakes. Okay, now put the left blinker and go back. This is how we give way to emergency services. We get the hell out of their way. Slow down, not more than 30. As you saw, all the cars were lined at the roadside. We did this as well. He was flashing with the long beams, telling us, get out of my way. He needs to reach his destination for a matter of minutes, so every second we delay him, someone might die.
True.
That's why if we can, we move out of the road. We go to the roadside as quickly as possible. Здравейте! Ние сме Sigma Driving Academy. Нашият екип от опитни инструктори и модерни автомобили правят вашето обучение безопасно, ефективно и без излишен стрес.